Your clients rely on search data to understand how their website performs in Google, but native Google Search Console reports can be time-consuming to build and difficult to explain. Agency Analytics turns Search Console data into a clear, client-ready story that highlights what actually matters. Open your client's profile and select the Google Search Console integration from the sidebar. The Top Queries tab opens by default, showing key metrics like clicks, impressions, average position, and click-through rate in a clean visual format. Use the date picker to quickly switch between recent performance and long-term SEO trends. From there, identify which search queries drive visibility and traffic. Instantly see keywords generating impressions and clicks, making it easy to explain results, uncover optimization opportunities, and guide SEO and PPC strategy. Page-level insights reveal how your site performs in search. Review top pages to see which URLs earn the most visibility, identify underperforming content, and prioritize pages for optimization to improve rankings and conversions. Understand where search visibility comes from by analyzing performance by country and device. See how users find your site across locations, desktop, and mobile, helping you tailor SEO strategy and content decisions to real audience behavior. Monitor technical SEO health with sitemap insights. Confirm which sitemaps Google has discovered, indexed, or flagged, so crawl and indexing issues don't go unnoticed. Create a complete search performance view by combining Google Search Console with Bing Webmaster Tools, Rank Tracker, and Backlink Manager. All your SEO insights live in one place without switching platforms or exporting spreadsheets. Build custom dashboards using drag-and-drop widgets or start from ready-made SEO templates. Present Search Console data in a way that's easy for clients to understand and focused on outcomes, not raw metrics. Finally, automate reporting. Fully branded SEO reports are delivered on a schedule with the latest Search Console data, freeing your team from manual report building so you can focus on strategy and growth. Turn Google Search Console data into clear, actionable SEO insights. Start your free trial with Agency Analytics today and start reporting smarter, not harder.